my name is Jason and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Joradix TV. And for today's video, wow, I have here two viewers. Yes, two viewers request this our next reaction video, and this is a Manipur song again. The two viewers' name is J.S. Kok and Zim La Isram Nanaw Macha. Alright, so the title of this Manipur song that they want me to react today is Manare Manare, and it was uploaded by H360 Pictures. And I think the singer here is Arvin Soybam and Anamika Poyam. And the cast here is Anamika Poyam again and Jams Psychom. Wow, very interesting music video. So before we start, guys, yes, make sure that you are subscribing my channel and don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my channel. So without further ado, guys, let's get now and watch this video. H360 Pictures. A blooming lady. Look at her face, very blooming. I like her hair, very curly. Nice flowers there. Manare Manare. Oh, TikTok guys. She's doing a TikTok. I like the sounds of music. Younger sister, this younger sister there. She's looking at what's this? Picture, a guy. I like the tree there behind them, guys. There's a lot of flowers here. White flowers of the tree. Wow, perfect. Oh, that's it. I love the Manare Manare. What's the meaning of Manare Manare, guys? Wow. Oh, what's this?
Nangi aigi wari se, aigi nangi irang se.
Someone
Lochinduna tamlage nangbu aigi thamoishida mina udanaba kuding nangi nanakta amduna leirage unsigi engduna nangi wakhaltani khallise nangi na tawtani
changing a message to each other.
Angawbani haibire Manare Manare Pukning wakala pamsu amatagam oina.
She know how to get some blood pressure to her mother. Maybe she is a nurse. Manare Manare She's not there. Oh. Wow, I like to be. Wow. You know, I like the artist here, guys. There's so much, you know, they're compatible each other, guys. Manare Manare. Wow. Wow. You know, this kind of a music, it makes me happy because, you know, there's some Manipur song that very, you know, when from the start it sounds good, and then after all in the end there is some you know, a very sad ending. But this music is until the from the start and then until the end, very happy music, and that's it. My I like this kind of music. And the story is all about, you know, I guess the meaning of this story, guys, or the story or the music story, all about how you can manage your time to your loved ones, guys, because we all know that sometimes we are busy and we don't have any time to talk to each other in the home at the right time, guys. So we need our mobile to use this to sending message to our loved ones, guys. If we are busy, if we cannot attend to the important event to our loved ones, you can call them, you can sending message for them. So this mobile now is a very important things to us for our everyday life. So we can sending message, we can call to our loved ones wherever you are, guys. So that's it, my idea about this music video. So if I am wrong, guys, just comment down below. Alright, this is only my idea on this story of the music, but I'm not saying that is the exactly meaning of the music. So I hope you enjoy again, guys, to this reaction video that I made for you now. And if you like, guys, just like and share to your loved ones, to your families and friends, and give this a lot of thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for more latest updates on my channel. So until the next time, guys, until the next reaction of video, see you there. I love you guys and God bless you. Bye.